Paper PM, as you can see that paper PM is not difficult. Seriously, it's challenging. And when something is challenging, that means it would have been interesting element, right? So first of all, let me clarify you that paper PM is not difficult. Paper PM is not difficult. It is challenging paper. And yes, it is challenging. But again, if it is challenging, that means it's interesting. You need to show the interest because there's a lot of hype against paper PM that paper PM is very much challenging. It has a global low pass rate. You cannot pass it in the first attempt. All these comments and the things are creating the negative vibes. And when you absorb something negative, you feel negative, you act negative, and you receive the negative results. I am your instructor, and I am saying it to you that paper PM is quite attainable paper. Please absorb the positivity, conceive it, absorb it, feel the positive, do positive, and receive the positive results, right? So that's very much important point.